Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room. So it's Saturday night and we have another guppy cross results video to show you. So for this cross we took 5 Metal Black Lace females and we crossed them with a single lucky Red Cap Cobra Guppy. I'll put the exact male up on the screen now so you can see what he looks like. Although, should be noted, he is pretty old now, so he's not as vibrant as he once was. And these are the results. So this has been one of our more interesting crosses, I'm guessing. Kind of what you might expect. There's basically 2 different colour morphs. The more reddy orange ones I'm not so keen on personally. They're not terrible, but the Cobra ones I especially like. Maybe not that guy there because his tail's a bit jacked up, as is the other one, but there is, if I can find him, where is he? Okay, this one there, that one. Oh, he's going to the back. He is gorgeous. Check out them markings. So you would go to the back, wouldn't you? Come back to the front. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Anyway, he is absolutely gorgeous. So I wouldn't say he's 100% coloured up yet. Maybe 95%. And we've got some more that are colouring up that just look exactly like him. So kind of thinking this might be the strain that we're gonna go for and try and develop ourselves. I mean, it's not the best strain in the world, but it's not bad. I mean, I like it. So anyway, guys, that's the results from this cross. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you would pursue this male yourself, if you think he's worthy of developing a line from, and you know, if you saw them in a shop, if you guys would buy that type of guppy. I do like him. Okay, so another guppy cross video coming very soon, hopefully this time next week, and we will see you in the next one. As always, take care of yourself, guys.